We'll guide you through how to use Google Drive for photo recovery. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. Sign in with your Google account credentials if you're not already logged in. Once you're in, look at the left-hand side menu and click on the Trash option. This is where Google Drive stores deleted files temporarily. You'll find a list of files that have been deleted within the last 30 days. Scroll through the list to find the photos you want to recover. When you locate the photos, click on the file to select it. You can select multiple photos by holding the Control key on Windows or the Command key on Mac while clicking on the files. After selecting the files, look at the top right corner of the page and click on the Restore icon, which looks like a circular arrow. This will move the selected photos back to their original location in Google Drive. If you can't find your photos in the trash, it's possible they were permanently deleted, and recovery may not be possible through Google Drive. For future safety, consider setting up Google Photos to automatically back up your phone's photos to your Google account. This way, even if you delete them from your device, they remain stored securely in the cloud. Remember, keeping regular backups is important to prevent data loss. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.